Hello, my name is Benoît Gerber. I'm the Program Manager for the ABB Robotics Ecosystem. My role is to help you making robotic automation simpler. For doing that, we are partnering with trusted suppliers that are offering easy to install, program and to operate robot accessories such as grippers, vision system, workstations, part feeders, and much more. The ecosystem products will help you being more efficient because they are easy to install and to commission. They arrive with all the cables you need to mount them, all the screws and so on, and also with a software add-in that you can download on the web and you can deploy on the robot, and all the programming modules, the signal configuration will be on the robot. You will also have an operator interface to easily operate the device. With that, any certified device will be up and running in less than 1 hour instead of spending typically 1 or 2 days to install it with a classical robot. We are also helping small business to automate, especially the ones who don't have a lot of experience with automation, because the ecosystem products are easy to operate thanks to the web app, and they also come with what we call wizard blocks. It's a visual programming interface, and the system integrator can make the program easier to understand for the first-time robot operator. We are also bringing the best for our customers. We are bringing together best-in-class robots and cobots together with high-quality accessories, and all the products that we certified have been tested and validated by ourselves. We guarantee you that you will have a great quality and it will be easy to work with. If you want to know more about the ABB Robotics Ecosystem, please follow the link and visit our website.